friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I hope that you're all having a great day today. Today I am speed cleaning my entire main living area as well as doing some of my weekly deep cleaning. So I'm starting off here in the family room. I like to start in this room because I like to move from here into the kitchen so that while I'm cleaning my kitchen, I am looking at a clean space. This is also the easiest room to clean. Usually I just have to pick up a few things and fluff some pillows and give it a quick vacuum. And so it gets me going and gets me motivated. So we're gonna wrap up with this and then I'll move on to the kitchen. On this day, it was super rainy and gloomy and cozy inside. It was pretty nice temperature-wise, so I'm gonna open the windows here in a second, but there is no better feeling than lighting the candles or getting your diffuser going and just having a relaxing cleaning day. It's so therapeutic for me to just kind of clear my mind and get my house feeling fresh, especially during the morning when my kids are at school and my littlest is napping. It's a time where I can turn on worship music or just fun music and just kind of be in my own space, in my own thoughts, and really just set the tone for my entire day. So now we're in my kitchen eating area and I'm just gonna start by opening up the windows in here. I love the sound of rain, so if it's nice enough outside, I love having the windows open when it's raining outside and you can hear the birds chirping and it just makes the space feel even more fresh. But I'm gonna wipe down the table because we hadn't yet since breakfast. I had cleared the table, but I didn't wipe it down. So I'm just using my thieves cleaner to do that and then it'll be good to go. Today is the first time that you're checking out my channel, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that you stopped by. Here on my channel, I do tons of cleaning motivation. As my subscribers know, I love home decor and all things homemaking. So if you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. Okay, so my husband plays this game whenever he is putting away dishes, and it's called Forks versus Spoons, and he will count all the forks and spoons that he puts away, and supposedly the spoons never win. I just think that is so funny. I think he saw that on a YouTube video or something once, and ever since then he does it every single time. I've never done it myself, but I was curious, have any of you ever heard of this? And if you do try it, see for yourself if your spoons don't win either. And speaking of my husband, he is so sweet and he pretty much 100% of the time when he's home does the dishes at night. So in the morning, all I really have to do is unload the dishwasher and I'm ready to go and ready to get the rest of the kitchen tidied up. I'm so thankful that I don't come down in the morning to a big sink full of dishes, because if it were up to me, that would probably be the case. I usually have no motivation to do dishes after dinner because I've cooked. So that's kind of the rule in our house. I cook, he cleans up. What do you guys do in your house? Do you both do each duty? Does one person do all of the duties? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments below. So pretty much every single time that I do dishes, I like to scrub out my sink There are so many germs and bacteria that live in your sink. They say that there are more germs in your kitchen sink than in your toilet, which is so disgusting if you think about it. So I really like to get this cleaned every single day. Okay, now that everything is picked up and put away, my daily routine is done. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down all of the surfaces here in the kitchen, and I'm using the 7th generation all-purpose cleaner in the Morning Meadow scent. I have been really loving this scent, especially for spring. It's just really fresh with just a little bit of a floral scent. So I made spaghetti the night before, and I didn't even realize until I was wiping down the countertops, there was spaghetti splattered everywhere. It was on the counters, it was on this cooktop, it was on the backsplash. So I'm taking the method Steal for Real spray and just getting it clean and picked up. I'm going to finish off the kitchen area by sweeping and giving everything a quick mop. I always have to sweep in this corner because it's where our high chair lives, and Graham is just the messiest eater. I think of all 3 of my kids, he by far is the messiest that I've ever had. And so it feels like I am constantly sweeping all the time. But I have been loving my Bona mop again. It's been a minute since I've used it, but I love to use the microfiber pad and the Bona hardwood floor spray. I'm probably going to do this probably twice a week, I would say. It just, in between deep cleaning the floors, gives the floors a really nice shine. It smells nice, and on the bottle it says that it does clean and degrease. So I feel like for what it is, it does a really good job. Okay, moving on to the front part of my home, I'm going to do some of my weekly deep cleaning tasks, which include dusting a lot of the time. This Entryway tabletop gets so dusty, you guys. I have to dust it at least once a week. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm also going to light my cactus blossom candle. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and dust the picture frames that I have on the wall right next to it. Okay, now I'm going to quickly vacuum up this rug. I do this probably once or twice a week, and then I'll get these areas dusted as well. So I ran out of my Bona Mop spray in the middle of mopping all my floors, so now I'm just using my Thieves cleaner, and I actually really liked this better. It just felt really clean in here, and it felt good to just know that when Graham is crawling around on the floors or walking around now, that he's getting a little bit of an immune boost. But now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down this bench. This is another area that if you don't look closely, you wouldn't know, but looking closely, it gets super dirty and dusty. So I'm gonna use that Thieves cleaner again and get it dusted. So I have absolutely been loving the combo of orange, rosemary, and lavender in my diffuser. This is like the ultimate spring, warm, but really fresh scent. I am loving it, you guys. I've been diffusing it every single day. And last but not least, my dining room. Now, we had our small group over the other night and we all sat here. We didn't eat, but we were sitting here, and I have been working here every single day. It's just one of my favorite spots in the home, so it brings me a lot of joy to get work done in here. But with that being said, I really needed to wipe down the table because I feel like it was just time, even though we hadn't had a meal in here. So I'm gonna get everything picked up, and then I'm gonna take off the runner and my centerpiece, and I'm gonna get this table really clean. I wanted to let you guys know that Monday's video is going to be my final clean and decorate with me video, and I am so excited about it. I have some fun things planned, including my dining room tablescape. It's going to be really pretty, and you don't want to miss it. I'll also be decorating my tea tray in my kitchen, as well as just kind of doing the final touches on my house for spring, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching today's quick tidy up of my entire main living space. I hope that I brought you a bunch of motivation, or maybe it was just really relaxing on a cozy rainy day. But if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. Say hi in the comments. I love connecting with you guys, and I will see all of you really soon in my next clean and decorate. Bye guys.